Get excited, get excited. Guess what? It's Mother's Day season approaching very quickly, and we are going to celebrate Mother. So this glam look is for all the moms that's watching this and all the moms that's deceased. So the first thing you're going to do, guess what? Get your bronzer and cover it from the lid all the way to the crease area. Next, you're going to take a brown or orange brown eyeshadow and you're going to apply it to the outer corner over to the middle of the eyelid only. You're going to pat it on. Don't sweep it. You're going to go a little up in the crease area. Just like I'm doing here. Just pat, 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 pat. Whatever you do, don't swipe it. Please don't swipe it. Okay? So, you're going to blend in your crease area. Make sure there's no harsh lines. And this look is going to be phenomenal. You watch and see, watch and see, watch and see, watch and see. Next, you're going to take an angled brush, and I use like a deep burgundy eyeshadow, and basically I'm just applying it in the crease area only into a V shape so I can give the crease area more definition. So you see how it's transitioning now. I love this technique. I love it. I love it. I love it. So make sure you use an angled brush to get this type of definition around your crease area. Alrighty folks, get excited everybody. Next, you're going to use your bronzing powder that you use on your eyelid just to blend down the harsh line above the crease area. Alrighty, use the bronzer. Get excited, almost Mother's Day. So what we're going to do now, I'm using a gold eyeshadow and I'm using my fingertips because I have fine lines to apply this gold. So if you don't know by now, when your eyes start to mature, the fine lines pop more. So use this technique just to apply any type of shimmer on your lid. So I'm using my fingertip and I'm going from the inner corner into the middle just to apply this shadow. And I love it. It looks phenomenal. I want you guys to tell me in the comment what you think about this technique. And let me know if you use it. So lately I noticed on social media that all the makeup artists are doing their eyeliner, they wing out differently. So I'm going to try this and you tell me what you guys think about it. I love it so far. So I always use a liquid liner. So I start in the middle and I'm bringing it up to the crease area, not all the way out like I usually do. And I'm applying it as so. And it's amazing. Wait till you guys see the finishing touch on this. Oh yeah, get excited. Guess what we're doing now? I'm using a black eyeshadow, or you can use a dark brown, and I'm just blending out the edge of that wing. And look at this transition. It is amazing. When I saw this on social media, I went, wow, I gotta figure this out. I gotta figure this out. So I want you guys to tell me what you think about this. So next, to make your liquid liner pop out more, I just took a black eyeshadow and I used my angle brush and I just dabbed it on just so that it can last longer and it'll pop. And I love this. Look at this. Oh my God, I am so in love with this technique now. You guys are going to see me run this in the hole. I want you to drop a comment in the section. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think and let me know when you try it. Now it's time to highlight the inner tear duct area. So I use like a gold. This is a lighter shade gold. Just to, highlight under my brow area. And this is my favorite technique. I love using this because it's great with my complexion. So if you're dark skin like me, go for it. It's blending time. So use your bronzing powder that you use on your lid and blend out any harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend is the key. Foundation time. So you can use your foundation, blend out everything. I'm using a hydrating foundation to give me that dewy look because I have mature skin. And I don't need any matte texture to age me. So blend, folks. Blend. Time to highlight. So you're going to use a concealer, a shade lighter than your foundation and the one that you usually use. And you're going to apply it under the eye area. Like I'm doing here. So down the nose and above the lips. Let it dry down. And happy Mother's Day to you and you. Oh yes, time to put on those lashes. I'm using a waterproof adhesive glue by Duo. It is black, it's waterproof, and it dries quickly. Quickly. When I tell you this dry quickly, it dry quick. So you're going to apply it in the middle first. Then you're going to do from corner to corner, press in, make sure you get as close as you can to your lash line. Get as close as you can to your lash line. Look down in the mirror if you're having problems, so you can see how you are putting on your lashes. Let's get it. Let's go. Happy Mother's Day. Get excited. I'm having fun while I'm letting my concealer dry down some folks. Yes, honey. Yes, it's Mother's Day season. After your concealer dry down, you want to blend it out. I'm using a brush. I'm blending it from my nose area all the way back upwards until my hairline. So you want to blend, 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 and look at that finish. Oh my God, I love that dewy look. And then I'm using my beauty blender with a little bit of foundation left on it just to blend out the harsh edges. Now we're going to take some eyeshadow and we're going to apply it to our bottom lid. And this is going to help prevent creasing under the bottom lid. Okay. So if you're like me and you can't do a lot of powder, this technique is amazing to use. Trust me on this. So you take the eyeshadow and apply it on your bottom lid, and you're going to go all the way back until where you have your wing out. Alrighty folks, get excited. We are going to open up our eye area and brighten it up with a white liner or a beige or a tan. Trust me, this is going to brighten up your eyes and you're going to look awake. So I usually start on my outer corner first and then go into all the way to the middle because this is white and sometimes the white could be too harsh. But I would recommend either a tan or a beige. Alrighty, and then you're going to apply your blush. Blush, 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 blush. For your finishing touch, we are going to highlight with a highlighting bronzer. We're going to go down the nose area, the inner tear duct area, tip of the nose, above your lip, and don't forget your brows. Brows, 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 brows. This is going to give you that glowy, dewy look. Pop those lips. Use a soft pink lipstick. Use it in the middle area. I do not line my lips too often, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So you apply it in the middle area only, and then you top it off with some lip gloss that match the same color as the lipstick. I don't know what's this I got on my face. But anyway, folks, tell me what you think. Drop it in the comment section. Happy Mother's Day to you, and you. Get excited, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I want you to have a wonderful Mother's Day. Share this video with another mother and enjoy your day. Get excited, get excited, get excited. Happy Mother's Day to you.